The first rule of the Feline Inquisition is very simple. Cats are love. Cats are life. Don't buy into the schemes of the cunning canines or the vile vulpines. A fluffy tail is a temporary reprieve compared to a soft purr of a cat. And no one knows this better than my brother. Huh, that's weird. I could have sworn I just saw him here somewhere.
Please accept this gift basket on behalf of the Vixen Club. You know, the Canine Clan is always looking for cute recruits.